everyone, April is a great time of year to be fertilizing your fruiting shrubs like currants, raspberries, and blueberries. Each one of those plants needs a slightly different fertilizer, so make sure you buy the one that's appropriate for the plants that you have. Read the back of the fertilizer to know the amount that you need to be putting for the size of plant that you have. Measure it out, weed around your plant to expose the soil, sprinkle the fertilizer evenly around the full circle of the plant at the base, then mulch on top of that fertilizer and give everything a really good water so that your plant can benefit from all that great fertilizer. Slugs can be really active in your garden this time of year, and we want to get those pests out. So the places that you look for them is underneath pots and pavers in your garden, any place that's cool and moist most of the day. What you want to do is go out there, find them, put them in some soapy water so that they die. And you want to do this a couple mornings in a row. The more diligent you are about finding them now, the better your plants are going to be this season.
April is a great time to plant vegetables, and today we're going to plant them in containers. You can plant veggies by seed. We've got some lettuce mix and some Asian green mix and coriander. You can also plant herbs in containers. Here we've got parsley, sage, rosemary, and thyme. And over here we've got some lettuce mix. And already it's ready for harvesting. You can harvest it here with the scissors. Take that in, wash it up, and we've got a salad for the family. And then also you can transplant vegetables either out in the garden or in containers. And here we've got both lettuce and kale. With all of these, you'll want to start with a good potting mix and also think about adding some organic fertilizer and lime to it. Then once the plants are going, you'll want to make sure to water everything really well. Containers tend to dry out really quickly. You'll want to check on them at least every day. And also think about using some water-soluble fertilizer like this fish emulsion to give them a little extra boost. April is a great time to plant cool season vegetables like lettuce and kale. And since it's a little bit cold at night, you might want to consider covering your vegetable crops in the early season with row cover fabric. We've got this tent here that can pull on out and snug in and provide a layer of insulation for the plants that are growing underneath. It can lead to earlier and higher yields. Also, an added bonus of row cover fabric is that it helps to protect your plants from pests.